Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2020 GMC Savanna 2500 cargo van. This one is built exclusively for cargo. As you can see here, it does have mounting brackets on the floor, which is a nice addition, but no rear windows or side windows. Do have lights in here. You can go straight up into the cockpit. There we go. Now the dome lights are on. Total price comes to $34,111. This is the 4.3 V6. A V8 is optional. This one does have nice leather interior. There's a little storage area in here, and you can keep some stuff there. Alright, without further ado, do have a backup camera, which is nice. It appears right in the rear view mirror. So you might be wondering why I'm reviewing something that's, well, essentially from 2004. Well, the commercial van market doesn't change very much at all. And it really doesn't need to. It's the same basic concept from van to van. This one is actually pretty special because I haven't seen any of them in red before. I think this is like one of the first ones we've gotten 2020s in red. So that's pretty cool. And then for it to be as loaded as this one is with the leather seats and stuff like that, it's pretty uncommon. not bad at all. So you can see manual shifting ability. Overall, this is a really, really nice van. No complaints at all with it. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.